Hello guys, my name is Dhairya Oja. In this YouTube video, I am going to discuss about the term LINQ, which stands for Language Integrated Query, and it is pronounced as LINQ. So as we know that nowadays the use of LINQ is increasing rapidly. So as a developer, we should understand LINQ and its architecture. So now at the end of the particular YouTube video, we will have a good understanding of LINQ. So in this presentation of YouTube video, we will start with the introduction to LINQ, then we will proceed to what is LINQ, then we will go to when to use LINQ, and then we will go through the advantages and disadvantages. So this is first video from my playlist of understanding the LINQ, so stay tuned for more videos. Now we will start with introduction. So as I already told, LINQ, which stands for Language Integrated Query, it was introduced by Microsoft in .NET Framework 3.5 and C# 3.0, and as we know, and it is available in the system.linq space. So now we will come to the topic, what is LINQ. So LINQ is basically a language integrated query is a name for a set of technologies based on the integration of query capabilities directly into the C# language. So it's a feature of C# language and .NET framework that basically brings out the query capabilities of languages such as SQL, ADO.NET, XML documents. So it basically provides a common syntax that basically allow us to query the data from various data sources in a uniform manner, such as like SQL Server, XML documents, ADO.NET. So it's kind of writing the single common syntax to query and manipulate the data. Now as I already told, we can query and manipulate the data using LINQ from various data sources such as in-memory objects such as collection generics. We can also query in the ADO.NET dataset. Also we can use entity framework core, SQL servers, XML document, and many other data sources. So now we will come to the topic of when to use LINQ. So there are many use cases or scenarios in which we can use LINQ, such as querying collection. So LINQ is ideal for querying collection like arrays, list, or any other types that implements IEnumerable or iQueryable interface. We will come to the topic of IEnumerable and iQueryable interfaces in the future videos. Now the second scenario is database operation. Suppose we want to insert, delete, or such as CRUD operation. We want to create, retrieve, update, and delete the data from the databases. We can use LINQ to SQL or entity framework to perform this such operation, making our life easier to interact with databases without writing any raw SQL queries. Okay, so now third scenario is readability and maintainability. So it basically LINQ is a gives declarative syntax which makes our life easier because it tells us what you want to do rather than how to do it. Also it makes our life easier to working with XML documents, and also we can basically use its operator to joining many data sources, as well as we can use its aggregate operators to calculation and aggregation of particular values. Now we will come to the advantages. So as we know that we don't have to learn the new query language such as SQL or ADO.NET. We can basically learn one common query syntax and we can use to query for multiple different data sources. It also basically provides compiler error checking as well as IntelliSense support in Visual Studio. So it's kind of powerful feature to avoid any runtime errors, as well as it provides many inbuilt method to filtering such as where clause, ordering such as order by, grouping such as group by, which makes our work easy, and it's a query, so basically it can be reused. Now we will come to the disadvantages. So as we know that using LINQ, it's easy to write complex query like SQL, because LINQ doesn't take full advantage of SQL feature like a cached execution plan. So we will come into the topic in the future videos about this, and also we can get the worst performance if we don't write the properly LINQ query. So we know that we can basically in the future videos we will discuss about how to write the LINQ query such as method syntax and query syntax. So we will come to this topic as well. Now suppose if we want to make some changes to our query, we have to start the console application again, and we have to recompile it and then redeploy it. So basically it's a very long process, and it will eventually affect our application performance. So these are some of the disadvantages of the link. So it was all about this YouTube video. Thank you for video. Bye bye.